So in that, whatever the collection we are doing in terms of cash will get updated here, and whatever the receipt, there is option available. In any case, customer is receiving, sorry, store is receiving some amount directly from the head office or somewhere, so that also can be considered as a cash receipt. So this is the day closing activity. In that, cash collected will show here, and some cases is happening already the invoice is generated and in card, okay, but payment is not done. And at that point of time, sometime the change of payment is required, okay. So that can be changed here, like in terms of against which machine the payment is got received or something else. So that facility is provided just because sometimes the card payments is not done and customer is paying the invoices, like payment later on in cash. So that switching is available here. Next is that we want to, uh, redeem voucher. But before redeeming the voucher, how we can generate the voucher, we will see that. So you can see here in the promotions, there is an option available to generate vouchers. So to generate a vouchers, you can use this functionality. And next is that whatever the vouchers are generated, you can see here. So in a way, right now there are like 5 vouchers which are generated for this particular store is, and there is a validity of this for this particular store from this date to this date, and uh, this validation of that particular voucher will be, and is that used or not, some of the information which is, like, is that voucher type, voucher amount type of the voucher, there can be a percent also along with the amount, and what is the amount or percent of the voucher. In that way, there is, but you can see in the last column, that is the uploaded. So we have to upload this, whatever the vouchers we have been generated, because this voucher which is issued by this particular store can be redeemed in another store as well. So that is why there can be a different store vouchers. Those stores can give that physical vouchers to customers, and that customers can go into to another store as well, and that he there also that customer can redeem that voucher. So whatever the vouchers are generated need to upload it, and which is uploaded on the cloud itself, and it is getting verified through the cloud itself, and updating that information like consolidated voucher detail is get on the cloud itself. Now, how we can generate these vouchers? So to generate that, there is a option available. You can say that exactly which campaign their store is running, and for which store that voucher is getting issued, and what is the validity of that particular vouchers are, like next 30 days if that vouchers are valid. And there is an option voucher type coupon, or like voucher can be uh, considered as a type of voucher, and again amount or the percent can be selected for the voucher, like a value type. Like how many vouchers need to be generated, like you can say like 10 vouchers issuing to this store, and what will be the value of it, like you can say like 30 rupees of each voucher's amount will be. And how the voucher numbers will get generated, there are few options available. So you can see that in a sequence on random numbers should get, like should be given to those vouchers. And what will be the prefix? I can say yes, 7 will be my prefix. Before generating the voucher, what will be my number, starting number of the vouchers, and how many digits which I want. So I can say that I need a 5-digit number here of the vouchers, and I can say generate. So when I do this, my 10 vouchers got generated, and before redeeming the vouchers, voucher need to get uploaded. So which is the important one. So these are the numbers which are randomly generated here with the prefix and for this particular store. Now you can see the uploaded status is not there. So I have to upload, then only I can redeem these vouchers as a validation. So I need to upload this, and this is uploading to that particular customer portal only, because each customer will have their own portal, okay, with their own organization code. So in integration, you can see the API code is given here. So whatever the vouchers are uploading of this particular for this particular organization code itself. So like there are two different customers will have a different organization code, and their data will get uploaded in their organization code itself. So it won't mix it up at all. Now I just want to redeem this particular voucher here. So how that can be redeemed? So I can say that this is the customer. Then sorry, I can say that this is my the product which customer have been purchased, and I just want to redeem a voucher here. So for that, I can say the this is the voucher number which I want to verify. It is saying that it is not used, and I'm sending. You can see here the amount is also coming, and I can say send OTP. So OTP is going to this particular number again for this particular voucher authentication 3062, and we can say update. Now you can see the paid amount is got updated, and rest of the amount we can accept here. So you can see here the voucher is got updated, and the rest of the amount which can be accepted here, and say OK and say checkout. So I'm not going to save this particular receipt test. So in this way, the voucher redemptions also can be done, and centralized data is also available for the customer in terms of the like CRM purpose or all those things, they can handle it. So now we will move to the discount, which like in the front end itself, how the discounting can be controlled at the user end. So for that as well, we can say the new receipt here, and the customer is this one, and we can scan, or like we can say that we can select item as well. Okay, so I am selecting this particular item, and if I go here and if I say that I am putting this that particular voucher here only, so it is saying that it is used, so I cannot proceed further. So this has been already used. So this got updated. This is just OTP validation is like controlled, because any stores can accept that any stores vouchers centralized data, like of the vouchers get updated through the OTP validation. Next is that we supposed to see the discount part. Okay, so in for the discount itself, we have the scan one of the item while selling the this particular item here, and why this is enabled, that is also the question here, and it is because in the setting itself that functionality provided here for the pricing allow header level discount, that means this field get the enabled, which you can see here, this is the disabled one and this is enabled. And even for the same, you can disable these two feeds. On the row level discount also you can disable by doing the uncheck here, and similarly for the header level discounts also you can disable this. Now it is allowed, so just to showcase that need to be allowed only. So what will happen here? One is that uh, the row level discount also can be provided. Okay, now the 100 rupees discount want to give it, the direct amount can be entered, or like if you want to give the 20% discount, that also can be entered. So in that way, this like row level discount, one is that manually allowed. Some customer don't are managing the direct manual discount, so that is why this need to be given to them. And further to that also, if given want to, like, you can see that there is another item you can scan here. Okay, and if you want to give the footer level discount or header level discount here, so that also you can say that like you can say that 50 rupees discount you are providing here. In a similar way, you can give a discount percent as well, like 10% discount additionally on this particular amount. So this way the discount also can be provided. But when we are doing this, there is one setting available. Like I'm just checking out here. It won't ask me other than payment. It will allow me to move from this particular screen. Okay, it is allowed to me to go give a discount directly, and it it has been like in SAP itself, we have an option in authorization itself how much discount maximum is allowed to the user. In a similar manner, we also have an option here for the user store in user store mapping, where we have given the access uh, to the user of the stores. In that the max discount is mapped. Okay, if I say that only for the this particular store, the uh, user can give maximum 10% discount, and for this as well the 10% discount. So we can set it like this and we can update this when we do this. Okay, and if we come here and we can scan this particular item here. Sorry, before that we supposed to select a customer. Okay. And if I put any discount which is more than 10%, okay, and I need to re-log in actually here. So it won't allow me to do that. So basically, just I want to convey here is that we can control the user wise, store wise maximum discount percentage. So I'm not going to again to re-log in because it will take time, and then we have to move it ahead also for the further points. But this facility available, and it will give you the validation as SFE authorization. In authorization itself, we are having a discounting, max discounting in sales and purchase kind of. So this you can use, or like we can offer to the customer, like user wise discounts control is available.